Yahoo! Prof here with another Poke haul. If we're calling them that now, are we? Let me know if we're calling them that. First up, we have, we need more height on the camera is what we need. Nearly took up the table here. Alright, first up, we have, that looks pretty darn normal, doesn't it? This is from Amazon, but check the back here, and you can see it's been opened. This is an Amazon warehouse deal. That looks pretty darn complete for an Amazon warehouse deal. So I'm getting my hopes up. However, I think I can see an open pack over there. So now my hopes just went down. Blop, blop. You know, we're going to open this up, this video here though, in a bit. And see if I lucked out or not. Otherwise it goes back. This will be the second Marnie that I've tried to get via Amazon warehouse deals. The last one was, they didn't even put the packs back. So, at least this one's better. Somewhat. And then, next up, Gertrude's over here. Yeah. She was checking out the second box here. And what we have here is from Walmart. Got 2 decks, Sceptile, and Groudon, or Groudon? Groudon? You can take a closer look there. There's Groudon, and then here is Sceptile. Actually, having seen that, I'm thinking I might now know where this came from. From the not booster packs we just opened up a video or two ago. Looks very similar to me. Like I said, I had a feeling a lot those hollows in there are from places that have the same hollow. Next up, we have one of the other tins here. I had the Leafeon one earlier. Now I have the Glaceon. Just missing the, is it the Fairy type? We'll get her though. And last but not least, we have more Mimikyu. Because you can never have enough Mimikyu. If you know what I mean. This is the Mimikyu Sidekick Collection. So I'm kind of pumped about this one. The stuff from Walmart we'll get that and add it to the queue that's been piling up a bit, and get to them in an upcoming video. So subscribe and keep your eyes peeled. Let me know which of that you're interested to see, and we're gonna go take a look at the Amazon warehouse Marnie set that came in and see if I lucked out or not with that. Sadly, seeing that open pack, I'm thinking not, but we'll give her a shot. Alright, so here we have the Marnie Champion's Path Premium Collection. Amazon warehouse deal, as I showed you earlier, right there. I don't remember specifically what this one said, but any of the ones I end up saying like damaged packaging or something like that. That should mean that everything in here is actually in here. It's usually not. Sometimes it is though. Grimace V, more Pico V, collector's pins, playmat, X number of booster packs, can't read it because the sticker's on it, and then online game code. So let's pop this open. Let me take a picture or two here first, and it's more for my records. Then, in case I do have to return it, just to show the state it was in when I got it. Yep, as you can see, definitely been opened. And what kind of threw me is it looked pretty complete. But you can kind of see at the top of some of the packs here that they're like wrecked. Oh, and you can see they're opened up back here. As always though, since it's going back, we might as well take a look at them. Alright, so let's go through these super duper fast here, since we know they're gonna be legal abolish. Energy, not garbage, I don't think. Actual hollow Scrafty, Professor's Research Reverse Hollow, Roly Coly, Trubbish, Vulpix, Swablu. So far these are all commons. Carvana, Hop, Team Yellgrunt, and Pierce. They're in the wrong order, that's for sure. Next up, Energy, Truffield Stadium, Beedrill, Great Ball, Potion. Like, this seems to be a lot of trainers for a normal pack here. Rockruff, Weedle, Swablu, Kakana, Reverse Hollow Sharpedo, and Hollow Hackney. Alright, this is actually better cards than I normally see in these repacks. This one was opened on the bottom. And then cards were put in upside down. We got Galarian Zigzagoon, Rockruff, Full Heal, Scraggy, Ekans, Reverse Hollow Beedrill, Energy, Hop, Piers, Sonia. Yeah, I think these are pretty trainer heavy for my normal pulls that I end up doing. Alright, this pack, we've got Hollow Energy, Zygarde, Kakana again, Swablu, Weedle, Rockruff, Potion, Beatty, Kabu, Sonia. Yeah, there's no way you're getting that many trainers in one pack normally. Why they gotta do this, guys? Just, if you're gonna buy it and open it, you keep it. It's like the whole point of how these cards work. Galarian Linoon, Scraggy, Roly Coly, Nickit, Ekans, Reverse Hollow Sharpedo, Hollow Centiskorch, Energy, Beatty, Kabu, Lightpard. And like, if you notice, all the trainers we're getting and all the Pokemon are getting are all the same ones. This person does at least seem to repack them with hollows. Because I've definitely had some that don't even bother doing that. Alright, here we go. We got Energy, Pokemon Center Lady, Hop, Beedrill, Potion. I don't know, I've had like 4 potions ready. Vulpix, Inkay, Pokeball, Sizzlepede, Reverse Hollow Altaria, and a Hollow Altaria. Yeah, there's no way you're getting both of the... Actually, I shouldn't say that. I think I actually did get both of these like this in a pack. I would think it'd be rare to get a Reverse Hollow and a Hollow of the same card in the same pack. I think it might have happened to me, though. Alright, second to last pack here. Another Kakana, that's probably number 4 or 5. Rockruff, number 5. Vulpix, Potion, Full Heal, Reverse Hollow Hatterene, Hollow Altaria. Yeah, there's no way in this pack you would pull 2 Hollow of the exact same kind. Energy, Victini, Machoke, and Kabu. Alright, here's the last of these packs before they go back to Amazon here. We have Roly-Coly, probably the third one of these. Carvanha, Potion, that's probably number 6. Rockruff, probably number 7. Weedle, Sizzlipede, Reverse Hollow, Hollow Marnie, Energy, Machoke, Beedrill, Arbok. Like, even the not commons, there's 3 of them in here. Out of 8 packs, the likelihood of that is... Oh, they're repacked, guys. I don't know why but it's just like... There's already a shortage on cards. Why do this? You know? And, I mean, Amazon's got my back because, you know, they think the packaging's just... You know, like they saw some of these packs are a little bit wrecked. They didn't bother... It would cost way too much of their time to actually open this up and find this out. So it just goes right back. Sometimes it went out though. If you watch a couple episodes ago, I actually had one that was missing the packaging, but everything was there. Card's a little bit damaged, I would say, like because they're super curvy. But it's one I got way cheaper than I would have otherwise, and here you go. It's these 2 guys right here. And I couldn't find from like a licensed reseller otherwise. So I'm gonna repack this and get it back off to Amazon. Are you guys as disappointed in whoever bought these as I am? Because you know, they're a real downer in my opinion. Well, we'll see you next time, and hopefully you enjoyed the video. Peace.